Manure management on small farms is important. Two best management practices for manure are stockpiling and composting. Both of these management practices have costs that range from low to high. In the next two videos, we'll be looking more specifically at what these methods are. Sizing and how much manure can fit in your system is another important consideration when developing your manure management system. Factors such as how many animals are on the farm, what type of bedding is used, and the duration that the animals live on the farm over the course of the year impact proper sizing. Siting a manure management system is also a crucial step. They should not be placed near a wetland or wellhead, for example. The location of the manure management system should not have any adverse environmental impacts on the watershed should the system not fully capture all the manure. Responsible manure management through both composting and stockpiling are held to the same standards. These standards require that the pile be covered so that the pile does not come into contact with rainwater. This cover could be a constructed roof or something as simple as a tarp. Have a floor, which means to have a barrier between the pile and the soil to prevent nutrients from leaching into the groundwater. This could be a concrete floor, a tarp, or some other impervious material. Be at least 200 feet away from a wetland, river, pond, or stream. At least 100 feet away from a private wellhead. This 100-foot buffer is also recommended for livestock. They should also not be able to get within 100 feet of a wellhead. And at least 50 feet from your property line. With good planning, these management practices are able to be effective and tailored to the specific conditions of the farm. Regardless of the manure management system someone chooses, there are resources available through the Northern Rhode Island Conservation District, as well as the Natural Resources Conservation Services, to support planning and installation of the gold standard management systems. Check out nricd.org/manure for resources for small-scale livestock farmers and contact information for the staff from the organizations who can provide technical guidance on how to best manage manure on your property.